Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Pa. And we're here in Singapore.
Oo. Nasa Singapore ba tayo? Nasa Tanay lang. Nasa Tanay rin.
Sa Singapore kami at kasama namin ang mga anak namin, Chi and si Anton.
Hi, Chi.
Debut on Mom and Pop's
Oo nga.
vlog.
Hello.
Hi everyone.
Kayong dalawa, nag-guest na kayo sa podcast ni Gabs and Marks. Diba?
Hindi, Gabs and Chi.
Me and
Kayo ni Gabs.
Sila ni Mark nag-guest sa podcast na. Pinakamalakas namin na episode yun.
Wow.
Yeah.
So, ibig mo sabihin, ito ngayon ang magiging pinakamalakas na episode namin. Hindi ko alam.
Posible.
So, we want to know about your life here in Singapore. Kailan ka, syempre ikaw na una. No?
I moved
First,
here late 2018. Mga November.
2018.
Almost 8 years na. Yeah.
Why did you come to Singapore?
So, nag-work ako sa Nike Philippines noon.
Yun.
And then, nagkaroon ng opportunity to come. So, nilipat na lang ako dito. Yes. So, yeah. Definitely very grateful for that opportunity.
Pero, inabot ka ng pandemic.
Pandemic, yes.
So, mag-isa ka ng gaano katagal?
A year. Oh, kasi di ako nakauwi nung after Feb.
Kawawa siya nun kasi the rules here in Singapore are very different from the rules in Manila. Sa atin kasi madaming di sumusunod sa rules eh. Dito,
Pero wala kaming face shield.
Ah, talaga?
wala. Kasi walang sense yun. Sa totoo lang. At had no scientific. Sorry everyone that bought a face shield.
Pero
Pero
victim ako dun.
hindi, sa atin kasi
Hindi,
ito sa
required.
rule.
Required.
Oo, dito hindi.
Nag-show nga ako sa TV. Kumakanta ako. Naka-face
Oo.
mask. Naka-face shield.
So, how was it? How was it staying here 10 months on your own?
I was alone literally for 3 months. Nung pwede na kami lumabas sa condos namin and, and socialize properly. Bumili ako ng cat.
I know! Yan
Dahil wala kang kasama.
Oo, yan,
Dahil wala ako kasama.
yan ang isa sa aming mga apo.
Yeah, Buffy. Yung apo
Yes,
niyo that
si Babe.
hates you.
Si Buffy.
How was the relationship? How was having
Long this LDR.
Before that 10 months na hindi kami magkasama, LDR pa kami. Kasi,
2019.
Oo,
Most of 2019.
Most of 2018 and 2019, parang pumupunta lang ako every month.
Or ako.
Every other month, either pupunta ako or siya umuwi for a weekend, di kami masyado nakikita. Okay din. Parang hindi ako mainis.
Sundan nga natin yun. Mag-Australia ka, tapos bibisitahin lang kita paminsan-minsan.
Hindi. Okay lang, mag-Australia ako. Ako na lang bahala kung uuwi pa ako.
Hindi, pero I was gonna say, nung lumipat si Ton dito and LDR kami, hindi kami new relationship. Tagal na namin.
Oo naman.
So I think there's a difference kapag mag-LDR ka and bago lang kayo. Ang hirap
8
nun.
years na yata tayo.
Oo, kami parang, we're together for 8 years na. I think by that time, 6 years, ganon.
In total, ilang years na ba talaga kayo?
13.
13 na.
Wow!
Kasi we were together since we were 12. Kidding!
Going 14 na.
Going 14 na pala.
Yeah.
I just wanted to add that I think you had one of the best weddings ever
Ganda lang kasi
in
ng speech mo eh.
in Manila. Hindi,
Why?
syempre nag-viral yung di ba,
Oo,
yung
wedding.
kanta ko for you,
Yeah.
She may be the face I can't forget. Looks like her mother when galit. Nakapamewang taas kilay, laki puwet. She was born to be a lady boss. At grabe kong makautos. Kaya Anton tayong dalawa, parehong under desire. Chi, you are a sweet and gentle soul. And though today I let you go, forever you will always be. My little princess known as Chi.
Of course, yung ano ko rin, yung speech ko for Anton.
Yung roast
Diba?
niya.
Yung roast
Hindi
for
speech,
Anton.
roast.
I often see Anton at home in Little Casanueva, wearing Chiloy Saga Gibbs' old silky pajama. Hindi na nahiya ang puta. We traveled many countries, followed his itineraries. Sabi mo malapit na, 1 oras na, wala pa tayo hayop ka. You gained our love and trust so easy, just by your discounts in Nike. And as we share a common bond of love for Star Wars and beyond, I say to you as Sith Lord Vader, Luke, I am now your father.
Tsaka, aside from that, lahat eh. Yung aesthetics nyo, yung, hindi lang yung speech ko yung speech ng mga friends ni Anton, tsaka
Yes,
yung
yes.
Grabe.
friends mo, Chi, family, maganda lahat.
At saka talaga naman, well curated by Chi and Anton, I have to tell.
Ganda ng lugar.
That's my dream location talaga is to be married in a museum. So I'm happy we got to have that experience.
Kahit na naudlot.
Oo nga eh.
Oo.
Isa.
Hindi pumunta friends ko.
Bakit na?
Joke.
Alam mo kung sino kayo!
Paano ang everyday life nyo dito?
Almost in the house. I mean, that's the life of a freelancer naman eh. So I work mostly from home.
Create your content at
Oo.
home.
And also, I design. Sa bahay, I design from the house. And naman, when I work with other brands. So, I mostly work from home. Pero ngayon, na hindi na pandemic, I go out a lot. I go to events. Ganun.
Ako ang gusto ko tanungin si Anton, how was it adjusting in a foreign country?
Saya. Joke. So natuto ako maglaba, natuto ako magluto,
Oh,
natuto ako maghugas ng pinggan and everything. So ano talaga, parang
Just to be
growing.
clear, si Anton kasi sa Manila, Don
Ay.
Anton.
hindi naman. Alam ako
Somebody-
driver eh.
Somebody would pack his bags for him. Somebody would, oo.
Ah, sino?
Ako naman, ganun din eh. Don Jano din ako di ba?
hindi ata doon yun, spoiled lang. Ganun. Pero si Anton, because of living by yourself here, you learn that you have the talent for cooking. That's why.
Yes, yes.
Actually, mahilig na siya magluto before coming here pa.
Mhm.
Ako dito lang talaga natuto magluto. Natuto magluto, to do my laundry, my own laundry, to clean the bathroom, all those things. I just learned that here.
Kasi donya ka rin.
Hindi naman.
Oo, aminin mo.
Oo, true naman.
Ikaw, Ton, anong office hours mo?
Every
Everyday ba? Hindi naman.
Yeah, 8:30 to 5:30.
Okay.
Tapos minsan may morning calls.
Ano yan, nilalakad mo lang to work? O
So,
what's your
I
ride?
take a bus.
Okay.
Take a 40-minute bus to the office.
40...
So 40 minutes and then office and then coming back another 40 minutes. So I just take the bus, nagko-commute ako. Wala akong balak mag-car here whatsoever.
Hindi, bihira dito eh. Diba? Dahil,
Dahil sobrang mahal.
Sobrang mahal. Just for you to have a car, you have to get a certificate that's good for 10 years. So yung certificate yun, kasing mahal ng kotse.
Parang
So just to
parang
give
dalawang
you
car.
perspective, Toyota Altis Altis here is 4 million pesos.
4
Sa Manila,
million.
para mga 1 million yun eh.
Okay.
So parang times 4.
Tama ba ako in saying, parang it's the government saying na wag na kayong magkotse?
Yes.
Commute na lang
Mag-commute na lang kayo kasi maganda naman yung
Oo.
system.
I mean, I love commuting here.
Oo.
That's one of the best things here in Singapore. I think it's so easy to commute. Ang linis ng
Pero ba't ka grab ng grab? Grab car.
Kasi gamit ko yung card niya. No, I train a lot. Ang ano kasi, it's so efficient to take the train.
Ano, Anton, masabi ko lang, malaking achievement yan for Chi na nakaka-train siya, nakakapunta siya everywhere dahil lagi siyang nawawala nung bata.
Hindi, lagi pa rin ako nawawala hanggang ngayon. I have the
Ayan.
most horrible sense of direction.
Nakuha niya sa akin yun.
Oo. So,
It's sa bahay lang, nawawala na siya eh.
yeah.
At least nag-improve ka
No, I was
here.
gonna say, testament to how good lang things are
Oo,
built here.
Yes, that's true.
Kahit mawala ka, parang the signs are easy to read.
Dito, bawal kang malate. Kasi wala kang
Yes.
excuse eh. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na traffic ako.
Yes.
People are very respectful of each other's times.
Hindi pwede si Pap dito.
Basically, hindi.
Bye. I-add ko lang na every time we come here, doon mo makikita yung mga mga sana ganito sa sa Pilipinas, no?
Yes.
Na ang sarap po. Dito, mahirap, mayaman, sabay-sabay sa train, di
Sa
ba?
train, tsaka sa bus.
So sana ganun sa atin. Tapos pagbaba mo, mga mall, konektado na dito, konektado na diyan, di ba? Well planned. di ba?
Well planned. Hopefully, maging ganyan din tayo.
Actually, dito, everything is so efficient. Sanay sila na everything works. When they travel to other countries, nagugulat sila na hindi
Not the
hindi
same as their
it's not the
place.
same.
Yeah. Healthcare here is like one of the best in the world. Maraming ang lumilipad from Manila or Jakarta, Bangkok, here. Kasi world-class talaga yung facilities and usually, kunyari, mga annual physical checkup, one-stop shop lang. Hindi ka pupuntang ibang floor for, your cardio test, ibang floor for x-ray, lahat na isang...
Nakakatuwa na marami kang mahahanap na Pinoy sa lahat ng establishments dito.
Actually, feeling ko, that's why rin we didn't get that homesick when we moved here. Kasi ang dami.
Alagang-alaga. Grabe. Pag nalaman nilang Pinoy ka,
Pinoys with other
Hospitality.
Pinoy, oo,
ibang level
are the
talaga.
best.
Na nakakatuwa yung ating mga OFWs na nandito. And I'm sure kahit sa ibang bansa, alam mo, they always try to lend a helping hand sa kapwa Pilipino, kahit na yung mga turista, lalo na sa mga turista, they always lend a helping hand. So maraming salamat sa inyong lahat dito.
Dito lang, binigyan tayo free fries.
And the Pinoys are the best.
Oo,
the
so
sweetest.
maraming-
The Pinoy community helps each
Oo.
other dito.
Maraming salamat sa ating mga kababayan na nandito dito sa Singapore at syempre sa ibang bansa din.
On the other hand, when you're here for long, ano ang nami-miss nyo sa Manila? Ikaw, alam ko yung yung popcorn. Kasi iba yung walang powder
Pagkain
dito,
yung unang
tama ba?
Syempre,
Hindi ko alam bakit walang powder yung popcorn dito. It's just sweet or salty. And
Hindi,
that's
dito-
a big problem for me.
Napuna ko dito, healthy kasi sila, di ba? Ayaw nila ng salt.
This is a blue zone. Meaning, people here, this is one of the countries in the world where people live the longest. It's because they're so healthy. Everyone here walks
Kahit
a lot.
matanda,
They're very
commute,
healthy.
lalakad.
You see yung elderly here, mga batak, ang lalakas, sa gym pa rin.
minsan sumama ako kay Chi sa gym. Nahiya ako. Kasi akala ko senior na ako. Hindi, yung mga senior
Mga lolo and lola
grabe.
dito, they're very healthy and strong.
Gusto ko lang sabihin, si Chi, nakakatuwa na ano ka na dito? Parang aside from being an influencer in Manila, kinukuha ka na rin influencer dito sa Singapore.
Oo.
I have a good group that I've met here of creatives.
Best
that I
dress
love.
yan. Si Chi.
And
Excuse
I'm also
me.
best dressed here.
Sila as a couple have graced the
Hmm?
magazines of Singapore. So, we have to congratulate them.
Thank
I
you,
don't know
thank
what to
you.
say about that, but
Galing kasing stylist ko
you.
eh.
Hindi, pero
Bawal ako lumabas ng bahay na mukhang
the creative community here, I have to say lang, yung creative community dito na nakilala ko na at I've built relationships with, I'm so grateful for. Yung nakakuha na ako ng
Nakakatuwa rin naman
finally
sila.
ng group of friends and colleagues here that I love.
What would you advise to young couples? Young couples, dahil young kayo.
So young.
So young.
That are trying their lives abroad.
Well, I think from my end, yung growth na na-feel ko dito, na experience ko dito as an independent adult or as a couple, hindi ko ma-experience sa Manila. Kasi good and bad, right? Kasi sa Manila, laki ng support system. You have your family, your friends.
You're right.
I mean, kasambahay rin minsan, di ba? Pero dito, mag-isa ka lang talaga eh. So you have to fend for yourself, you have to learn, grow, and, survive.
My advice is to girls.
Haba to, wait lang.
I think guys that grew up in Manila are different from guys that have experienced life abroad. Just because, yun nga, yung independence, iba, matututunan mo from living alone and away from family. Parang it toughens you up.
Okay, thank you for sharing your
Thanks for having us.
your life here.
At sa lahat ng mga gustong mag-try ng life abroad, why not? You can always try. But at the same time, you always have to be grateful for what you have. You have to be grateful from where you come from.
Ako, gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa mga tiga dito sa Singapore na nanonood ng channel namin.
Yes.
Marami kami nakakasalubong dito. Uy,
Yay!
nanonood kami ng YouTube nyo.
Maraming
Maraming salamat sa inyo.
And again, congratulations, Chi and Anton, for having a good life here, for putting up the Philippine flag here in Singapore.
Yun.
Ah,
At libreng pa-hotel sa amin ni
of
Ma'am.
course. Uy, nagbabantay ako ng mga pusa nila.
That's true, that's true.
Kwento mo yan. Kwento mo, singit mo lang yan. Because,
Nakakatawa. When we leave, sometimes walang magbabantay ng cats namin. So,
mas mahal, di ba?
mas mahal if we put them in a pet hotel. So, minsan, lilipad namin si ma'am na lang dito para
So, alam nyo na, pag kailangan nyo ng tigabantay ng mga pets nyo here and abroad, please give me a call.
Ganon.
Rarakit ako. Kayang-kaya ko mag-alaga ng pets. Thank you so much, Sir Tony, manager ng PS Cafe, for having us here. We really appreciate you. Thank you so much. And we'll see you again only
This
here
is-
on the Jano and Bing YouTube channel
From Tanay.
from Tanay. Like and subscribe.
SG, tinan nyo lang.
Ayan na. Buka pa rin Tanay eh.
Hindi. Thank you,
Okay.
Chi and Ton. We love
Thank you
you.
so much. Thank you for giving us your time. And again, Pat, thank you to everybody here in Singapore. Bye! See ya!
Yan, so, tuloy na kami.